Those are glands, you don't need them.
Oh, okay.
They're salivary glands. We're not going to care about those. They have huge salivary glands in comparison to carnivores. I really don't like working on rabbits. Okay, don't cut that because it has a vein. I'm going to want that. But those two muscles are beautiful. This is going to be really good. Oh, I just cut myself. That's going to suck. There we go. Okay. I see everything now, which is great. Okay. This guy is the Sternocleidomastoid because it originates on the sternum and part of the clavicle, and it's going to the mastoid process in the back. So Sternocleidomastoid. The one on the side here, this guy, that guy, do you see that? Okay, that's the Cleido occipitalis because it's not on the sternum. Sternum's in the middle, right? It's on the clavicle. So it's Cleido occipitalis, so it's going further in the back of the skull, right? It's going all the way to the occipital condyles. So those are good. The muscle on your trachea is the Sternohyoid. The whole thing. It's all the way up to the hyoid. Sternohyoid. On the side is the Sternothyroid. Because right there on the larynx, my voice box is right there, is the thyroid cartilage. So it originates on the sternum, but stops on the thyroid. Whereas my Sternohyoid went all the way up to the hyoid. The next one is the Thyrohyoid. You see where the Sternohyoid stopped? But now a new muscle starts. Origin insertion. So that's the Thyrohyoid. When I pull the Sternohyoid apart, there's the larynx. There's my thyroid piece of cartilage. Okay, the brown little muscle, peach little muscle guy right there. Okay, is the Cricothyroid. You can't pull it up. It's just a little spot. Okay. Further up here is your Masseter. Okay, the Masseters are on the jaw. These are my Digastrics. They're on the lower part of the jaw. Okay, and then this guy in between the Digastrics is my Mylohyoid. Okay, and then the last little guy is the Geniohyoid. Just gotta peel it back. Okay, so beneath the Mylohyoid is the Geniohyoid. Genio means chin, still going to my hyoid.